flying the wrong pattern.
Some people,
He just went head on with the jet.
Some people just do their own thing. It's okay.
Take off flat.
Yeah, but that's not club. That's club rules.
Taxiing out. Well, I'm on the runway.
Wait, you got someone at the runway at the end.
I don't care if you do it ahead of me, just so you know.
China cleared.
Take it off! Oh, I'll be off way before him. There, he's good.
Oh, wait, he needs to land.
I'm out.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Alright, let me go to low pass, and his Rand's already down. He's not down yet? He's barking about coming in. Come in already. Please.
Okay, wait, who's landing first? You got...
Who's on first?
I don't know. No, I think the jet's first. The other plane's not even close.
Just hang out.
Yeah, no, you're fine. Dude, that looks scary. Like, wow, there's an F-15 flying overhead.
That's what I like. I can cruise around at half throttle with this, no issue.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Drop it in for a fast pass!
Go buzz the Mirage. Buzz the Mirage.
I am
Buzz
right
the
now.
Mirage. Frankie's still out there. Buzz Frankie. Buzz him. Lower. Buzz the Mirage. Yeah.
Okay, you're clear. Gotta hang out again. Every now I flew right around it.
Yeah, I looked up and then saw it, and I was like, "Oh, sun."
Okay, I hope he taxis in because I'll do a fast pass from the right. It's all right. There he is.
You're fine. You come around.
Low pass from the right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Right.
1 minute.
Right, left.
Right there.
There you are. Nice. Slow down.
I can do a slow one for you.
No. He has to adjust his camera.
Oh, his camera. His speed is slow. Okay. Low pass from the right. Let's get a good one this time.
30 seconds.
All right, here, let me do one further out.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Do one a little further out. I won't go fastest. I'll be more of a lower speed.
1.
I know it's hard to track that thing when it's going fast. Somebody got some really good footage of theirs up, I think, over in England somewhere. With one of these, yeah, here. Yeah, I got to come in right now.
Gear down.
Landing from the left.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, the landing's always a good picture opportunity too.
Take off flaps.
Thank
Flaps
you. My oldest, ugliest bird. Out of all my EDFs, this is the oldest one. No, second oldest.
Spot for me? What? You spot for me? 2 minutes.
All right, guys. All yours. Thank you. Whoa, be careful. Backfire.